Namaste and welcome to this new video of Simply Simple Cooking. Today in this video we are going to prepare a sweet dish, a god sheera or a sweet pudding made out of semolina. Coming up. So today this sweet dish which I am going to show you, this sweet dish is always offered as a prasad in any Ganesh festivals. So may it be a Satyanarayan Puja, may it be the Ganesh festival, if you have prasad over there, it's always god sheera. So for those of who are seeing me for the first time, I show such kind of simple and interesting recipes every week. So please do consider subscribing and also don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you never miss an update when I upload a video. With that out of the way, let's quickly go ahead and check out our ingredients for this sheera. So for making this sheera, I have taken 250 grams of Rawa or Sooji, 250 grams of white sugar, 250 grams of pure ghee, around half a liter of milk, some dry fruits. These are some almonds, some cashew nuts and also some sultanas. You can add in whatever dry fruit you like, some elaichi powder or cardamom powder, and one cut ripe banana. So if you see, the measurements for this sweet dish are quite simple to remember. So suppose if you take this bowl which normally would take around 250 grams of anything in this, you take one bowl of Rawa or Sooji, you take one bowl of white sugar and you take one bowl of pure ghee. So all the three ingredients require the same quantity, and then take exactly double quantity of milk. So take 2 bowls of milk, that is what I have over here. So let's start by taking a pan and add all the ghee in it. So the very first thing in making the sheera is to roast this Rawa or Sooji. We have to roast it really well in this pure ghee. So along with that, what we are going to do is we are going to boil the milk what we have. So I'll just add the milk in this. If you use cold milk during preparing this sheera, what will happen is the sheera will start forming lumps. So I will just cover up the milk so that it will boil faster. Once our ghee is melted, let's add the Sooji in the ghee and keep stirring occasionally. You can see that within no time the Sooji or the Rawa will start puffing up. At the same time you have to add the bananas in as well. So you really have to roast this Rawa till the time it doesn't become golden brown. Do not forget to keep stirring it occasionally, or else the Rawa will just stick to the pan, which we don't want. So as our Rawa is being roasted, we will also add the dry fruits in the Rawa. I will keep some for later to garnish it and to decorate our Rawa. So I will keep something for later. As the Rawa starts cooking, you will get real good aroma of pure ghee and Rawa mixing together. You will require approximately around 10 minutes to roast this Rawa. This what will make our sheera really stand out. Wow, the Rawa seems to be done. You can see how the color of the Rawa or Sooji has turned brown. So as soon as the Rawa is done, let's add our boiling milk. Remember to add it quickly at one go. It will boil, yes, but don't worry about it. Just keep adding and keep stirring. It will start getting thicker and thicker as the milk is soaked up by the Rawa. And within no time you will see that the entire milk is soaked up by the Rawa. Now once this is done, you have to add in your sugar. Mix it well with the sugar. As you add the sugar will start melting, and as this happens, then you can add a very small pinch of salt. This is optional, and then just cover it up. So once you cover it up, you have to let it cook for not more than 3 to 4 minutes. So what will happen is all the sugar syrup and the rawa and the milk and the ghee will be binded together and it will start giving you a great aroma. So just open and check. Wow. Give it a stir. Just take it off the gas. Our sheera is all ready. Finally, we just have to add the cardamom powder on top and then just give it one more stir. So our sheera is all done. Now let's serve. Add in the remaining of dry fruits on top. And there it is. Our goat sheera is ready. So this was all from me guys in this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this goat sheera. Well, I am going to enjoy my sheera. Well, I have shared the recipe of this sheera in the description below. So don't forget to check out the description and please do give me feedback if you have any in the comments below. So see you again guys next time in my next video. Till the time, you keep experimenting with food, share it with your friends and don't forget to enjoy. Take care. Semolina, Semolina, Semolina.